السلام عليكم ورحمة الله وبركاته. لبيك اللهم لبيك لبيك لا شريك لك لبيك إن الحمد والنعمة لك والملك لا شريك لك. Hajj occurs during the month of Zil-Hajj. It is obligatory for Muslims who are able-bodied and can afford it. It is the fifth and the last pillar of Islam. It lasts 5 days from the 8th and the 12th of the month. The talbiyah is constantly recited during the journey. لبيك اللهم لبيك لبيك لا شريك لك لبيك إن الحمد والنعمة لك والملك لا شريك لك. Prohibition in ihrams: cutting nails or removing hair, hurting or harming anyone, wearing perfume. Day 1, 8th Zilhajj. Step 1. Wearing the ihram. The ihram. Men wear 2 unstitched sheets of white cloth. Woman wears head scarf and ordinary clothes. The journey of Hajj starts in Mecca. Tawaf and Sa'i are performed. The pilgrims then leave for Mina. It's also called the tent city. You can see a lot of tents in the city. Pilgrims devote their time to prayer and the remembrance of Allah. The next day, 9th Zilhajj. Pilgrims make a 14.4 kilometer journey to Arafah. Arafat is home to the Jabal e Rahmah, the mountain of mercy, where Prophet Muhammad delivered his final sermon. After sunset, the Hajis make a 9-kilometer journey to Muzdalifah, where they spend the night under the stars. They collect 49 pebbles for Rami, which takes place day 3 onward. Day 3, 10th Zilhajj. 10th of Zilhajj is Eid al-Adha. Pilgrims begin their day in Muzdalifah and head back to Mina before dawn. During Rami on day 1, each person throws 7 pebbles at the largest pillar in the Jumeirah. Once complete, the pilgrims perform their sacrificial duties. They trim or shave their hair, remove their ihram, and cleanse themselves. They then return to Mecca to perform tawaf and sa'i. The Hajis then make their way back to Mina. Pilgrims spend 3 days in Mina. They perform Rami each day, throwing 7 pebbles at each of the 3 pillars. Pilgrims return to Mecca for the farewell Tawaf ul-Wida. لبيك اللهم لبيك لبيك لا شريك لك لبيك إن الحمد والنعمة لك والملك لا شريك لك, which marks the completion of their Hajj. Excited my eyeballs? سبحانك اللهم وبحمدك نشهد أن لا إله إلا أنت نستغفرك ونتوب إليك. السلام عليكم ورحمة الله وبركاته. لبيك الله